So the time is about 1:30 a.m. It is May 5th, 2018, and it is Cinco de Mayo. This is a birthday friggin' anniversary present. My wife and I's 11-year anniversary. So I just want to say happy birthday. God damn it! I want to say happy anniversary on Cinco de Mayo. The dogs and I have stayed up for the past, guys, say happy anniversary to mommy.
Say happy anniversary to mommy.
Yeah. Okay, the dogs and I have stayed up for the past couple hours working on this, and I hope you like it. So anyways, here it is. It's your pool towel rack holder that you wanted, and I put a you can't see it, but hopefully you can see it, solar covered light cap on top. So it's awesome, it kicks ass. And I'm wearing the carbon fiber chrome dog tag you gave me for our anniversary, for the coordinates of Bailey's that's no longer there, but our new favorite restaurant, BJ's, is there on Cinco de Mayo, 5/5/2007, 11 years ago. Holy shit. Damn. All right, hope you like it. Love you. And hope you get a lot of use out of it. Love you, bye.